Hello everyone and welcome to break 4039 for the 2019-20 Upper Deck Stature Hockey Card Box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It is Saturday, December 26, 2020. It's 1:35 a.m. Eastern Time, 12:35 a.m. Central Time. And it's Friday, December 25th, 2020. It is 10:35 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Turk 10 with 18 spots, James 3, Levy 5, Dev 1, Abby's dad with 4 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our teams for the break. Turk's on top, Abby's dad on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Turk 10 on top, Levy on the bottom. Turk with the Ducks, James Coyotes, Turk Bruins, Levy Sabres, Turk Flames, James Hurricanes, Dev Blackhawks, Turk Avalanche, Abby's dad Blue Jackets and Stars. Turk 10 with the Red Wings, Oilers, Panthers, Kings, Wild, Canadians, Levy Predators, Turk Devils, James Islanders, Turk Rangers, Abby's dad Senators, Levy Flyers, Turk 10 Penguins, Blues and Sharks, Lightning, Levy Maple Leafs, Abby's dad Canucks, Turk Golden Knights, Capitals, and last but not least, Levy has the Winnipeg Jets. All sealed up. Good luck. Let's see what we have here. We'll start with David Pastrnak, Boston Bruins. Mark Scheifele, Winnipeg Jets. Rookie Jonathan Davidson, Ottawa Senators, 255 out of 399. We have Matthew Barzal, New York Islanders, 16 out of 149. We have rookie Reliance, Taro Hiros, Detroit Red Wings. That is 9 out of 99. Rookie for the New Jersey Devils, Brandon Gignac. 2 out of 75. We have Cole Sherwood, rookie auto, Columbus Blue Jackets, 66 out of 199. Austin Matthews, Maple Leafs auto, 19 out of 25. Very nice for Toronto. And then last but not least, we have Jonathan Quick and the Los Angeles Kings. Esteemed Jonathan Quick. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. We'll start with Jonathan Quick and the LA Kings. Kings going to Turk 10. Congrats. Austin Matthews and the Maple Leafs, 19 out of 25. Toronto Maple Leafs, Levy 2026. Congrats. Blue Jackets. Going to Columbus Blue Jackets, Abby's dad, 61,500. Congrats. New Jersey Devils. Knock out a 75. New Jersey Devils. Going to Turk 10. Congrats. Rookie with Lions, Detroit Red Wings. Red Wings, Turk 10. Congrats. Islanders. New York Islanders. Going to James. Congrats, James. Ottawa Senators, Jonathan Davidson. Ottawa, Abby's dad, congrats. Mark Scheifele, Winnipeg. Levy, congrats. And last but not least, the Boston Bruins. David Pastrnak. Going to Turk 10, and that was break 4039 for the 2019-20 Upper Deck Stature hockey card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. Thanks.